The Innovation Theater at CSCMP Edge is sponsored by Canop.
Well, welcome. Welcome to our Innovation Theater, the Edge Startup Excellence Award, sponsored by NAP. I want to thank them. This has been a long process of culminating and starting with Art Mesher's 3 V's, velocity, visibility, and voraciousness. No, velocity, visibility, and variability, which he wrote a series of papers, and it culminated in some standards being driven into our industry over the decades. So this competition has been going on for several months, and we've narrowed it down to 3 finalists whom you will hear from. They each will have 5 minutes to participate, but before we do that, I want to introduce and thank our judges. Our judges are here right in front to judge the competition and ensure we get a real objective view. So Chris Jones, Chris, thank you. Pat Martin, thank you. Liz Ward. And Lori Mitchell-Keller, thank you very much. All right. Clicker.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Next up is Chris Makut from Sightracks. Take it away.
If you've been under a rock lately, AI is the new hip thing. But here's the catch. AI needs data, guys. And in today's world, data is the gold of the future. Hi, everyone. I'm Chris Makut, founder and CEO of Sightracks.io, a completely bootstrapped startup where we're here to help supply chains answer the one question that still drives everyone crazy: where's my stuff? We focus outside the warehouse, where this is the question that comes up with every meeting, every yard, every port. And while we think supply chain flows neatly from end to end, in reality, it's a mess of handoffs, delays, and blind spots. Most AI companies spend their time making things that already work just a little better. At Sightracks.io, we're fixing that part of the supply chain that's flat out broken. Here's the reality. From port to warehouse, the status quo is broken. Supply chain outside the warehouse is still stuck in manual operations and costly tech. That means labor-intensive yard checks, error-prone processes, and expensive legacy systems that just don't scale. On top of that, the network is fragmented, assets pass between companies in a chain of point-to-point handoffs with little visibility in between. And the data we do get, it's locked up in silos, just as Gather AI just referenced. Systems that don't connect, can't share, and ultimately leave everyone blind. From port to warehouse, what we've inherited is a broken status quo and a patchwork of roadblocks. This is an example of an asset captured from any camera. Container numbers, chassis, trailers, .IDs, all tied to GPS date and timestamp. With Sightracks.io, we capture any asset ID outside the warehouse in under 3 seconds at over 98% accuracy. And here's the best part, it works on any device. Phone, tablet, drone, dash cam. Your existing technology stack works with no additional hardware required. At Sightracks.io, this data is integrated into your existing TMS, YMS, your system, not ours. It's instant visibility anywhere you need it. This flexibility is our edge. Sightracks.io works with whatever you already have in the field. Mobile phones, tablets for pickup and drop off or yard inventory, to aerial drones and vehicle-mounted cameras for yard inventory, even your existing gate and yard cameras. So instead of forcing you into custom hardware, we unlock the power of Vision AI on the devices you already trust today. With Sightracks.io, you get one technology and limitless use cases, from yard inventory and gate checks to proof of pickup and security with damage tracking. If it rolls or sits in a facility, we can track it. That includes containers, chassis, dot numbers. Our platform is flexible, accurate, and ready for deployment. And we're so confident in how easy Sightracks.io is to use, you can go to our website right now and try it for free at www.sightracks.io. Here's why this matters. Sightracks.io provides foundational data for everyone's solution. Sightracks just isn't a point solution. It is a data layer that powers your entire supply chain stack. We feed reliable real-time asset data into your CMS, TMS, YMS, ERP, CRM. The acronym sauce continues, even your AI dashboards. In other words, Sitetracks.io turns your blind spots into clean, usable data that every system depends on. Behind this solution is a team that's been solving visibility challenges for decades, from computer vision to finance to supply chain operations. We've built the team here that is solving the toughest gaps in logistics. We know what's broken and we have the tools to fix it. We go to market through direct sales and our 80+ channel integration partners with hundreds of users at Sitetracks.io today. In conclusion, our vision is to bring real-time visibility to every asset in the world in motion. We've built the tech, we've assembled the team, and we've proven the model works. With your support, Sitetracks.io becomes a foundational layer of data for AI, automation, and the future of the global supply chain. We'd love to explore how you can join us in this journey and be part of the future of logistics visibility. Thank you.
Chris, thank you very much. Judges, any questions?
Chris, thanks. So that diagram that you showed, which was sort of like the spaghetti supply chain, I understand what you guys are doing in terms of if a truck is in a yard, or if a truck is at a particular point and you're scanning the ID numbers. I'm trying to understand how you fix the spaghetti, because if you're just looking at the assets out in a yard or in a fixed location versus over the road.
It all depends on the use case of the actual optical sensor. So your mobile devices, your cell phones, a trucker may receive a text message from a dispatcher that asks the trucker to simply click on the link and scan that asset to get proof of acquisition or proof that it's under their own hands. You could have a security camera zip tied to a pole at the entrance to your gate or your facility. It may just be telling you after the fact that things happen from a security standpoint. We can give operational intelligence from that camera today.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you. Anyone else? All right, Chris, thanks very much. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
Well done, buddy. All right, thanks, Chris.